Hey guys, Shorten here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to clean a lawnmower the easy way. And here are some tools you need: Armor All, paintbrush, and a couple of towels. And first step you gotta do is just wipe down it. And this is also winterized. You should winterize it. And always make sure your gas thing is like closed, because spiders like gas, if you didn't know that. Okay, now this is just a paintbrush, unused, and I taped it out the end, so it's like that. And I'm just gonna get all this. And after I do all the divots and stuff, I'll come back and show you guys. Now I'm gonna use some of this Armor All and try not to get in here because I don't know what we'll do. So, and try not get the air filter. Okay, now just use a microfiber cloth or rag would work. Clean this bridge and stretch and motor. If you look right here, there's like a divot. There's dust built up in there, so we won't get that. And with the rest, use the old paintbrush right here and make sure that Armor All and stuff gets in the screws, bolts, things in here. Just like this one over here, this little thing, make sure you get on that and unscrew it if there's dust under there, but I don't care about that. Okay, now if you look in here, this is, I probably got a new one. Oh yeah, that's dirty. So if it was my choice, I'd get a new one of these because it's dirty. But for now, I'm just gonna not look at that. But you could use the air compressor, but I just suggest buying another one because I'm just gonna leave that off and clean it later. And make sure you don't spray anything inside of there. Okay, now for this. This is super easy. If you got an air compressor like me, I usually clean it with it. But this mower, it's like, it doesn't run as good as my other ones. So, I'm going to show you how the finished product looks like on a different mower because, this is pretty clean. Okay, now, look how green this is compared to the front over there. Wow. But, and you could also get a water hose because I'm gonna pull this other one out. So this one I just got done cleaning, brand new. I only used it one time, and if you look in here, the air filter, this thing looks brand new compared to the other one. Come look at this shop. It's this. Look how clean that is compared to this dirty one. Wow. This one I'm not even gonna use anymore. But this one's really nice. Craft Mini did a really good job. But this is how you clean a mower. And some tips I suggest. this paintbrush method's really good. Where did I put it? Because look at these bristles.